In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Hostgator support, a process that should only take around 5 minutes. Whether you're facing technical issues or have questions about your account, getting in touch with Hostgator's support team can be straightforward when you know the steps. Let's walk through the process together, ensuring you get the help you need without any hassle. First, we'll need to navigate to the Hostgator website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Hostgator, or simply search for their site. Hostgator is known for providing reliable web hosting services, so rest assured you're in good hands. Once you arrive on their homepage, you'll want to locate and click on the Sign In button. This button is usually positioned in the upper right hand corner of the homepage. Clicking here will direct you to the login page, where you'll need to enter your credentials, your username and password to access your account. After you've logged into your account, you'll arrive at the Hostgator home dashboard. It's from here that you'll begin your journey to speak with their support team. Now, one of the most common questions is exactly where to find help within the dashboard. The answer lies in the small, often overlooked icon that resembles a question mark. This question mark icon is essentially Hostgator's gateway to support, a subtle addition that provides powerful assistance. Next, give the question mark icon a click. This will usually open up a range of support options. Hostgator is known for offering various routes to connect with their team, whether through chat, ticket submission, or by phone. If you're someone who prefers speaking directly, the latter option is your go-to. Under the support section that appears, you'll need to look specifically for a contact number. Clicking on this contact number will not only give you the number to dial, but often provide additional information on when support is available, which can be quite helpful. Phoning Hostgator support directly is, as some users find, the most immediate way to resolve issues. When contacting them, make sure to have any relevant information ready, such as your account number, your domain, or specific details about the problem you're experiencing. This preparation can save you time during the call and ensure a smoother process with support. And there you have it, you now know how to contact Hostgator support effectively. Remember, having access to professional assistance when you need it can be crucial in maintaining a positive web hosting experience. So don't hesitate to reach out whenever necessary. This guidance should empower you to resolve your issues with confidence and ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful in navigating Hostgator's support options.